Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. For today's video, I'm going to share some tricks to get good grades in school. So, let's get started. Who doesn't want to succeed, right? I'm 100% sure that all students want to get good grades in school and examinations, but sadly, not all of them knew the correct way to achieve it. Don't worry, today I'm going to share some tricks that might help you. Who knows, you can improve your grades after practicing all these tricks, right? You'll never know until you try it by yourself. First and foremost, you need to identify your learning style first. Some students find it is hard when it comes to studying, but in fact, they have been using the wrong method all the way long. There are three types of learners that you need to know, which are kinesthetic, auditory, and visual learners, and each of them have methods that suits them, such as mind mapping, listening to audio, and many more. Some prefer to listen to music, while some prefer to study in a quiet place. If you are using a method that doesn't suit you, you will never make any progress in your studies and it will be a waste of time. Secondly, you listen to this phrase often: study smart, not study hard. Studying all the time and be a slave to your books is not considered as study smart. It will only consume your energy and your brain might be tired over time. So, how to study in a smart way? Before you start, set a time duration for you to study for a subject. For example, 2 hours. It's not that you will study non-stop for the 2 hours duration. Take a break around 5 to 10 minutes for each half an hour studying to refresh yourself, and then you can continue. I know we are facing huge distractions from social media and so on while studying. To avoid this, try to ask your parents to keep your phone when it's time to study, or you can try to download the Forest app to help you stay focused. Next, be nice with your teachers. Show them your respect and talk to them using a proper language because they are your sources of knowledge. Every teacher is looking forward for students that always approach them whether it is inside or outside of the class. Here is a fun fact. Teachers love it when students ask them tons of questions because it shows that they are eager and crave for more knowledge. In learning, you can consider your teachers as your friends, but don't cross your limits. You can ask them for help whenever you need it, and they are always there to give you a hand. Last but not least, don't forget to write your notes before the class started. The notes will help you to understand a little bit of the topics that you will learn in class later. Some of the students will say, "Why do I need to write notes before entering the class? We didn't even learn the topics yet." Little did you know that the notes you wrote before the class will help you to understand the topics better. And some students find it's boring to write notes. I'm going to share with you my notes writing recipe. What do you need to do in this recipe are, firstly, you need to use colored marker or colored pens. Secondly, you need to use keywords or acronyms. Thirdly, you need to use mind map. And lastly, you need to include some graphics or cute stickers. Mix it all together and you will get a note like this. The most important is be creative. To summarize, I really hope that these tricks can help you to get better grades in school and examination. To be honest, I've been practicing all these tricks since I was in primary school until now, and all praise to him, it really works on me. So, you guys should give it a try too. There's only one thing to remember. There's no such thing as an overnight success, and you got to work really hard to achieve it. I already include all the links related in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. Wishing you all the best in everything you're doing, and thank you so much for watching my video. Till then, bye!
I'm in love with an angel, heaven forbid.